My dear students, I am Aritraj Chakraborty, lecturer in electrical engineering of Sri Ramakrishna Institute of Science and Technology. Today, I am going to discuss the part 8 lecture of circuit interrupting devices. Today, our topic is miniature circuit breaker or MCB. A miniature circuit breaker, commonly known as MCB, are mechanically operated switches cum circuit protection device. It is an electromechanically operated automatic circuit protection device. An MCB is used to interrupt a circuit during overload and short circuits. It can be used as an alternative to fuse for domestic application. The advantage of MCBs over fuses is that they are reusable even after interruption of the circuit, after an overload or short circuit also. Moreover, they are more sensitive to faults than that of fuse. Now, there is the constructional image of a miniature circuit breaker or MCB. You can see here that is the electromagnetic protection relay, that is the upper terminal, that is the thermal protection bimetal, that is the arc chamber where the arc extinguished, and in the lower section that is the fixed contact, that is the moving contact which move, that is the moving contact. Okay, that is the CHN rail holder, or that is the lower terminal. It's a space for identification the marker, and that is the operating switch, and that is the mechanical operating mechanism, and that is the very much important part, that is the tripping lever. So that is the constructional view or image of MCB. Now, the miniature circuit breaker construction. At first, the external casing. The external casing holds all the internal components from and protects them from dust. It is made of insulating materials such as plastic or ceramics. Number 2, the contacts. A pair of contacts can be found inside the MCB. We know that one is fixed contact and another is moving contact, which is operated by the help of relay. Knob. MCB can be turned on or off using this knob. And mechanical latch. A latch arrangement is made inside MCB to hold the contacts under spring tension at on position. Okay. Now the bimetallic strip. The bimetallic strip offers delayed overload protection by sensing the prolonged flow of current greater than its rated current when the short circuit or overloading occur. Solenoid. Solenoid offers instantaneous protection against short circuit by releasing the mechanical latch. Solenoid gets activated when the current through the coil exceeds a particular value. So it is act as the relay coil. Okay, normally more than 3 times of its rated current. That means the normally 3 times of the normal current. The solenoid is not activated by overload. Arc tubes. Arc chutes are used for splitting and quench the arc. So that is the construction of MCB. Now the working principle of miniature circuit breaker. In the case of overload, a current more than the rated current is driven through the MCB. As the current flows through the bimetallic strip, it gets heated up and deflected by bending and releases the mechanical latch. Deflection time of bimetallic strip depends on the amount of current flowing through the strip. Higher the current, faster will be the deflection of the metallic or bimetallic strip. During short circuits, a transient current flowing through the solenoid forces the plunger towards the latch. The action instantaneously releases the mechanical latch and opens the contacts immediately. So actually there is the electromagnetic attraction type mechanism of relay is used in case of a miniature circuit breaker. Advantage of MCB over fuse. A miniature circuit breaker can act faster than fuse, 2 to 3.5 milliseconds during a short circuit. It can operate it. They can offer better overload protection than fuse. They can be reset after the clearance of fault, but fuses need to be rewired or replaced. Safer interruption of short circuit current and arc quenching method can be adopted by the help of miniature circuit breaker. The knob makes the operation of MCB much easier than a fuse. They can be turned off whenever we want. Therefore, a circuit isolation during maintenance is much easier compared to fuses. So, it can be make or break automatically or manually. So, that is the main advantage of the MCB over fuse. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.